Hello, welcome back. David with HonorCraft. Today I am happy to announce a new addition to our website. It puts the design of the products at your fingertips to make sure that you get what you want. Right here, we have a product that was designed through this process as one of the test pieces that I did to make sure everything was functioning correctly. You can do it right on the website in about 3 minutes. No phone calls, no back and forth emails, no guessing. So today I'm going to walk you exactly how to do that step by step so that you can turn any of our products into something that is completely and uniquely yours, and it's super easy. So that sounds like something you're interested in. Stick around and I'll walk you through it. Okay, well, we're going to head over to honorcraftlw.com. If you haven't been to our website, head on over there, check it out. I just recently updated it, changed some stuff around, whole new sleek look, a lot easier to navigate. So as you can see here, the new website, many different ways to go, to click into it, and the shop. So we'll start off. Once you're on the site and the product page that you want, you see the button. You say click shop, you go down, you find the product, and then you click on the product, and then it'll come up here like this, showing your product that you want to pick. So now you've got your products here, and you can see the different colors, photos, mock-ups, and all that stuff, the information here. You select what colors you're wanting here. So you want the burgundy one. So this here is the new part right here, where normally it used to say checkout, add to cart, buy. Any of the products that have customize, you can customize it right here on the site. So right here, we'll just go ahead and click on customize, and then boom, it pops up and it shows you the backer here. As you can see here, it comes up in its own screen. Over here are your options. You have templates, text, and then upload your own image or file. Just be careful when you're uploading stuff that on this, you'll see that it automatically adjusts the image, so images don't turn out as a perfect photo on here because it's being engraved. So let's go to templates, and as you can see, there's a couple already preloaded in here. So we can click on this one here, which is the heart with text in it. It'll populate it in, and then so here, that's what it would look like on here. And if you click down here under text, you can see that you can put in the text that you're wanting to show on the box. And then you can change the fonts by selecting the different fonts down here. So, and then you have your file upload. So as you can see here, you can upload. You can upload it from your computer, or there's a super nice option that you can even upload via your mobile phone. And when you click it, it basically pulls up a QR code. And then, as you can see here, I'm going to open my camera on my phone. I will scan, click the link. Okay. I need to switch this over here to the big screen here. So as you can see on my phone now, it brought me to this link, and it's asking me to upload a file or an image, and you will just hit the little spot there, and down here it'll ask you if you want to use a file, a camera roll, whatever the file is you want. You just click it, and then select it, and it'll automatically upload and send it directly to the site so that you can then save it on the product. As you can see, it's still waiting for my phone to send something to it. We're going to go ahead and cancel out of that. I just kind of wanted to show you that. So a lot of us have pictures and things that are on our phones that necessarily, um, and you can even do something like if you have a handwritten note and you want engraved on it, you can take a picture of the handwritten note, upload it on there, and get it engraved as well. So just a couple of the options there. So we'll go back here and we'll talk about here. So around the edges of it, you have some arrows that you can use to make it bigger or smaller. So if I just wanted to do a name, I can even move it down here to do like a small little name in the corner. I can move it around the screen. As long as I'm inside these lines, I can move it anywhere that I want it and position it. You see that the blue lines will pop up when you hit center, going up and down, or left and right. As you can see there, I'm perfectly centered there. Down here, this is your duplicate, so you can create a copy. And then up here is the little trash can. You just click it, and it deletes it. Here is the little rotate, so you can rotate it to however you want and place it to where you want. So back here to the templates, we have it here. So if I click on the text here, then I can go over and type in what I want and pick the font. And so as you can see, the text is super small here. So that's where I can draw or drag it out and make it as big or as small as I want. So I got the text updated the way I want it. Now on this one, I also, if I click the heart, you can see that I have additional heart options that I could change it to different pictures in there in which I would need to adjust the wording in there. So if I just wanted to do something a little smaller, I'll do a little heart up here, and then I can move the name down here. So this really opens it up to you making it how you want to make it. And that's what's nice about this is you get to see it firsthand before you order it. So once you get everything laid out the way you want it and everything looks good, like I said, you can down here you get the bar to zoom in, so you can zoom in to see. Um, I do want to add that sometimes the colors may be a little lighter or darker. Sometimes they make it a little, the darkness is brighter on here so you can see it better. But for the most part, it should be pretty close to as it looks on the screen. When you're done, you just hit add to cart, and then it brings you back to here. We scroll up. It should be in our cart. Didn't ask me to confirm it. Yep. So right there, that is the box that we just designed. And it's in our cart, which it took us back to the original. But there's the box. And as you can see, it's already in there. And then when you hit checkout and you send it, it comes straight into my Xtool software, and it sends me the digital files and everything I need to get it engraved and processed for you in a much quicker manner because it's already partially set up for me. So you can go back and look at some other options here, whether it's some of our custom wallets. You can do the same thing here. That one's not. Let's go with the golf accessory. So the golf tags. So you see here, it's got customize. and it pops it in right here, and that's what it looks like. If you want to zoom out to see it on the whole thing, you can. Again, you have images here so that you can put different graphics in there. You can add text, change all of the fonts that you wish to do. Hit add to cart, then it saves it the way you designed it, and then it sends it to me. This just gives a great opportunity for you to really make something your own, and for you to have more of a hand in designing something personal that you're looking to gift. But if this is not your thing, that's perfectly fine. Still email us, message us, tell us what you want. We'll go back and forth and get you something that you are absolutely happy with. But yes, please go and check out the website. It's got this new feature to it, as well as we're still working on getting everything rearranged and set up. But I'm pretty happy with this new feature. I think it gives you guys, as our customers, a lot more control to see something before it's actually made, before you get it. Thank everybody for stopping by and watching this video. Make sure you go to our Facebook page, follow us, like and share. Uh, and again, we appreciate everybody that has supported us through this whole journey. And thank you, and have a good day.